Hello, it's Diane, and I've got new goodies for my online store. I've got two new prints in the Windham collection. These are Windham terrain. The color is called Field. It's like a dark tone-on-tone green. We have this one that's called Clay, and I actually think the Clay one is going to work great with a couple of the really busy and bright Tim Holtz prints that I have from Free Spirit. These are two of the what's called Bee blenders. These are from Riley Blake, Lori Holt for Riley Blake. This one is like a chicken wire, and this one is kind of a cross stitch. This one is also from Riley Blake, and this one is just called Sparkle. It's got kind of a white eggshell type background, whereas this one is just a little creamier. Then I've got three prints that are from Studio E and their blenders, and they're really cute. This one is called Hearts and Dots, and is kind of a great background fabric. This one is called Morse Code. It's a very faint gray line, and then this one is just called Fun Dots, Fun Dot Line. So it's got little pastel colors, and yes, you're seeing on the right, I have got my first shipment of Tula Pink and Roar collection, and tomorrow I should have more of the pre-cuts, and I'll have backgrounds and a lot of the bold prints. So yes, all these will be on the website in the next little bit, so be sure and shop now at dianesews.com.